AUTOLIFT 3000. Did you know that with the help of an electric drill you can elevate your car? The only thing you need to do is connect it to this lift, and in about a quarter of a minute, your vehicle will be raised by as much as 25 inches. It is possible for you to use the device with automobiles, pickup trucks, vans, and even minivans. The maximum weight that can be lifted is 6,600 pounds. A further characteristic of the model is that it does not come equipped with either an electric or a hydraulic system. Two gear units equipped with Acme screws are responsible for the lifting function. In addition, the lift has a high degree of adaptability, making it useful not only for auto repair businesses or vehicle washers, but also for display purposes in exhibitions. Adjustable skids and pads specifically designed for use as side steps are included in the package. The weight of the lift is 95 pounds. GoJak Wheel Dolly. If you need to move your vehicle in a confined location or with as much precision as possible, these dollies will come in handy. Take for instance the situation at parking lots or exhibits. The maker provides customers with a choice of 6 distinct models, each of which has unique qualities. The lightest of the bunch weighs 37 pounds and can support a weight of up to 1,025 pounds. The largest one weighs 53 pounds and has a capacity of 1,750 pounds. If you merely need to turn the automobile, however, you just need one set of dollies rather than the 2 pairs that are required for moving the vehicle. The structure can be moved with the effort of just one person thanks to the design, which makes it possible to operate it either by hand or by foot. Additionally, the dollies are set at a height that prevents any possibility of the paintwork being damaged. In addition, the specialized rollers are designed to be as gentle as possible when working with the tires. Prices start at $400 per unit. Eastwood 3,000-pound Rotisserie. It is the belief of the people who developed this method that it is possible for you to make use of it in order to make your restoration project an outstanding success. Because it enables you to swiftly access any region of the body, it will come in handy for anyone who is involved in a job that requires a high level of complexity. One person may easily handle it, despite its capacity for up to 3,000 pounds. Wheels are included for your convenience, and a number of factors, including height and tilt angle, may be adjusted. The unique locking rollers ensure smooth functioning throughout the entire process. The fact that the system does not require an external energy source is a significant upside. The asking price is $1,500. MyWayMotive Steel Car Body Pull System. There are a variety of body repair machines available here. They were developed by the Italian company MWM, which is responsible for the production of a wide variety of goods. For instance, the company's catalog features a variety of products such as dent pullers, spot welders, and fixation systems, among many others. 1971 marked the beginning of the company's history, and at that time, it was just a modest family enterprise. At the present time, it is operating on the international market with great success, making use of the experience it has gathered. For instance, the Steel Spot Mark II is the most sought after of all their products. It is a multi-purpose spotter that offers 5 preset working programs and is compatible with practically all widely used consumables, such as wiggle wire and carbon electrodes. Tulip BrakeMate. The labor involved in being a mechanic is, in every sense of the word, exceedingly strenuous. The braking system of large vehicles like trucks and buses can include components that weigh up to 154 pounds each. This kit makes the process of working on hubs, calipers, and other similar components easier and more efficient. The creators are confident that it lowers the danger of health issues such as joint pain, lowers labor costs by as much as 50% in some situations, components, ensures 100% alignment of the hub and axle, and preserves the parts and components of the gearbox. In addition to this, it can be used with any caliper that is positioned between the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. It includes 2 dollies, each of which is stocked with everything it could possibly require, including a variety of adapters. Because of the straightforward nature of the control system, the possibility of an individual being injured during the maintenance process can be significantly reduced. SocketPro. You won't need your toolbox full of various wrenches and bits if you invest in this socket tool, because it will replace all of those items. Because of its versatile adjustment capabilities, which span a range of 0.4 to 0.7 inches, it may take the place of more than 30 other sockets. In contrast to other items of its kind, this one will function normally even when used with corroded or damaged bolts and nuts. Because the head is constructed to deliver a similar amount of power on all 4 sides, the potential for rounded corners is reduced. It is also simple to put together and take apart. It is an excellent instrument that can be used on its own, which makes it simple to perform tasks using only one hand. In addition to this, the company guarantees that the product will be able to endure significantly greater loads than comparable products. Equalizer Raptor. This technique, which was developed from the ground up, gives you the ability to take out a car window on your own. If you try to use regular strings or knives on a new car, you can wind up harming the car or the glass. This is because the tolerances between the glass and the body of a modern car are quite tight. The Equalizer Raptor system, on the other hand, enables you to cut even high-density polyurethane without encountering any difficulties. One of the secrets is the technology used by the Air Force, which even on broken areas of glass maintains the most secure hold possible. Additionally, the system supports rapid charging and is small enough to be functional even in a vehicle of modest size. This package provides you with everything you require to begin working immediately, including specialized safety glasses and a cover for the dashboard. A total of $1,070 is required to purchase the package. Tire Spyder. According to the people who developed this kit, it is a breakthrough method for changing the tire in a truck without first dismounting the wheel. The task is expected to take approximately 12 minutes, and it is anticipated that the mechanics and drivers will be able to complete it independently with little to no assistance. It is possible to work with rims that have a diameter ranging from 22 to 24 inches. The total weight of all the components in the kit is 287 pounds. In order to ensure the passenger's safety, a cage has been provided. A hydraulic mechanism allows the tire to be removed quickly and carefully at the same time. On the other hand, the operating premise was not universally well received. Some users have claimed that a skilled mechanic can complete the task in nearly half the time. TROLLEY IW1. Although it is a very useful instrument, an impact wrench puts a significant amount of strain on your hands. In addition to this, using it in confined locations can be challenging, but you can forget about these issues now that there is a solution. When working on automobiles and trucks, you will be able to get the most out of your impact wrench thanks to the cart that it is stored on. The seat on the cart is really comfortable, and it manages to maintain both its stability and its maneuverability. The model has the capacity to carry an impact wrench that weighs up to 44 pounds, despite its own weight of 168 pounds. In addition to that, it has vibration damping and 2 separate compartments for storing accessories, tools, and fasteners. The model is adaptable for use in either a professional or personal setting. In addition, it requires approximately $4,100. Sealey SCR18 Range. Why not combine a toolbox and a seat into one unit? Experts from the United Kingdom have also considered this possibility. As a direct consequence of this, they have made this organizer seat available. The model can be used in a variety of situations. It is outfitted with 2 folding side trays for nuts and bolts, a compartment for screwdrivers, drills, and other tools that can also be used for glasses, and 3 sliding drawers that can be used for things like wrenches. The height of the model is 16 inches, and the thick vinyl lining ensures that the seat will survive for an adequate amount of time. The swivel wheels are built of materials that are resistant to grease, and the frame is capable of supporting loads of up to 300 pounds, despite weighing only 29 pounds. This piece of equipment is available for $233. QuickJack. The designers of this lift believe that it is different from any other type of car lift that we have ever seen before. Jacks, lengthy adjustments, and assembly are not required of you in any way, shape, or form. The lifting can be accomplished by pressing a single button. The manufacturer provides a selection of different models, and they recommend that you make use of a specialized calculator to assist you in selecting the proper one for your vehicle. When folded, the device has a height of 3 inches, and its functional form makes it simple to gain access to the underbelly of the vehicle. The vehicle's load capacity is 7,000 pounds, and because of its powerful propulsion system, it can be raised by 21 inches in a little under a minute. The elevator features an automatic locking system, which ensures the utmost level of safety. Additionally, the dimensions of the elevator are so condensed that it can be hung on the wall. Easy Gripper Workshop. The tire processing capabilities of this mobile workshop will come in handy not only in auto repair shops but also on a variety of production lines. The model can manage tires with a diameter of 85 inches and a weight of 2,200 pounds without any problems. In addition, there is an option that can accommodate tires of up to 95 inches in diameter. The repair shop offers a unique 3-position gripper option, which lowers the possibility of injuring a customer or damaging their tires. Tires can be lifted, tilted, and moved by a single operator. Additionally, it comes with a camera. Thanks to its IR mode, works well even when there's very little light. In addition, it may be delivered in a number of different configurations, each of which may be combined with an already existing stacker, or it may be provided as a complete solution based on the Lind L1620 pallet truck. Carnage Tool CTRACER Mechanics Creeper. When you spend a significant amount of time working underneath a vehicle, your limbs will frequently become stiff and your back may start to hurt. This will keep you from concentrating on the repair at hand because it is a distraction. This chair will provide a dependable and pleasant support, despite the fact that using it comes with the possibility of doing something incorrectly because of its low profile and ergonomic design. It has a length of 41 inches, is equipped with 6 casters, and has a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. Inserts made of EVA polymer material are used to provide padding for the back, shoulders, and neck areas. The top and sides each have metal inserts that can be used for illumination, and the sides have tool recesses. In addition, the color red almost certainly confers an additional plus 15 to the rate of movement. The creeper must pay $90. AUTOOL HTS558. The majority of drivers eventually come up against the issue of residues on engine intakes at some point in their careers. The developers of this cleaning system provides a solution. This does not require the use of chemicals or the disassembly of your car. Instead, the system requires that a particular abrasive that is formed of walnut shells be fed into it. In contrast to many other chemical cleaners, it cleans without leaving any damage to the surface. And if any of its particles make it into the cylinder, together, they will immediately be consumed by the fire. 1 to 3 minutes is the typical amount of time required for cleaning, and you will need 4.5 to 9 pounds of walnut powder. The manufacturers are convinced that the cleaning will efficiently fix problems with engines that have underpowered engines, and that drastically shake when they are in the idle state. In addition, because the filtering system is so effective, a single charge of an abrasive can be used anywhere from 5 to 10 times. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.